Hi, so today I'm going to show you my all-time favorite camping treat. Any guesses on what we're going to make? Hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make campfire nachos. You know, we're camping out here in the Southwest, so I thought we'd do a little Southwest flavor. So watch how easy this comes together. Okay, so what we're going to start out with is just a nice aluminum pan that we can set directly into the coals of the campfire. We'll give it some cooking spray, and go ahead and take our chips. Now, a couple tips I've learned is you don't want the chips too thick so that it can't warm up the other things. So we'll just have a nice thin layer of chips. That looks like it'll be just perfect. Then we'll go ahead and add some beans. You know, I've got some savory sides. These are flavored with peppers and onions, so they'll give it a little bit of a kick. The wonderful thing about nachos is you can put on these whatever your family loves, especially after they're cooked. You know, you can add olives or jalapenos, so many different varieties for so many different tastes. So there we've got some nice beans. Now what I did is I went ahead and I pre-cooked the taco meat. Well, not pre-cooked, but I actually cooked it and got it all ready at home, seasoned, and then I froze it. So all I had to do was pull it out of the cooler today and it's all ready. One thing you might want to try is to warm up your taco meat if you have means to do that, so it's not super cold. It'll make the nachos cook a little bit faster. We're not going to do that. This is just a thin layer, so I think it'll work just great. You just want to be careful when you're cooking it so the bottom of the nachos don't burn. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add some cheese. Alrighty, so we are ready to cover this with some aluminum foil, set it in the coals, and it's about 40 minutes, give or take. I like to lift the lid and check it just to make sure that those chips aren't burning. So let's see how this works. Okay, so let's take a look at these. Ooh, they look delicious. Okay, so, and you can add whatever your family likes. That's what's so nice is these are so versatile. Got some olives going on there. And I think I'm going to add a tiny bit more cheese and let it melt. There we go. Add a little bit of lettuce. Oops, I think I have more lettuce on the barbecue than I should. And we've got some Pico. Oh man, I'm hungry. Some guacamole. And to finish it off, you can't forget the sour cream. So I'll put a couple dabs on it. Now, we are serving two with this. This actually would serve a family, so I always tend to make a little bit more. But there you have it, campfire nachos. So who knew what a simple bag of tortilla chips and a few ingredients, what a fun meal that would make while you're out camping. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. Or if you'd like to see some more fun videos we put out, I've got some extra special camping recipes, hit the subscribe button and that will notify you when I put those out. So from Let's Go Now Adventures, have a great day and we'll see you next time.